How to use WhatsApp without phone number? Using WhatsApp without phone number is quite simple and easy. Just watch the video till the end so that you won't do any mistakes during the process. Simply open WhatsApp application on your device. Then you will reach on the section to add an account. You can tap on agree and continue button at the bottom of the screen. Here you are asked to enter your phone number, but you don't want to use WhatsApp without your phone number. So let's exit from this section. Open any browser on your device. At the top, tap on the search bar or the web address bar and search phone number for verifications. And on this results section, you will get multiple links so that you can get the free phone numbers that you can enter in WhatsApp. You can easily select the first link here and get the virtual phone number for your WhatsApp application. You can easily enter the email address and the phone number belonging to any country. And after that, the same phone number you can copy from here and you can easily enter on WhatsApp. And after that, you can easily verify that phone number by getting the code from that same section or the same site. And after that, you can easily use WhatsApp. Here, you don't need to use your own phone number. You can easily enter the virtual phone numbers that are for free. So that's it. That's how we easily use WhatsApp with our phone number. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching.